If you're diving into the world of online selling, you've probably stumbled upon WooCommerce, but is it really the best e-commerce plugin for WordPress? Let's unpack what it offers and whether it truly lives up to the hype. WooCommerce is an open source e-commerce plugin designed specifically for WordPress. It transforms your site into a fully functional online store, allowing you to sell anything from physical products to digital downloads. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, especially if you're already familiar with WordPress. Setting up your store is quite straightforward, with customizable options for product listings, payment gateways, and shipping methods. One feature that stands out is the extensive range of available plugins and themes, which can really help tailor your store to your brand's needs. However, while it caters well to small to medium-sized businesses, larger enterprises might find scalability a bit challenging. There's also a learning curve for those who are completely new to e-commerce, which might be a hurdle for some. Overall, it's an appealing choice for many, but some aspects could feel overwhelming without prior experience. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, WooCommerce is free to install, and its flexibility is a huge plus. You can find countless extensions to enhance functionality, whether that's for SEO, analytics, or customer engagement. But it's not all sunshine. The reliance on third-party plugins can lead to compatibility issues, and managing updates can be a hassle. Plus, while the base plugin is free, costs can add up with premium themes and extensions. Some users also report that customer support can be hit or miss, especially if you're relying on community forums. For newcomers, the technical aspects may be daunting. If you're not tech-savvy, you might want to consider alternatives that offer more hand-holding. In conclusion, WooCommerce is a solid choice for many WordPress users looking to start an online store, especially if you value customization. However, if you're seeking a more straightforward all-in-one solution, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but be prepared for some learning along the way.